In today's video, I'm going to teach you full workflow explanation. We're building an end-to-end Instagram carousel machine that runs entirely inside n8n and turns a single idea into a published post without you lifting a finger. Here's how each part works and why it matters. It all begins with the chat trigger. As soon as a message comes in, something like IG idea, AI automation for Instagram creators, the workflow wakes up and captures that idea as the seed for everything that follows. Next, the image prompt generator uses an AI model with a structured prompt framework to produce 5 carousel prompts. The content follows a proven flow: a hook that stops the scroll, a clear problem, a useful insight, a practical solution, and a call to action. Keeping this structure ensures every carousel educates quickly and drives engagement. To keep things clean, a structured output. Parser forces the AI to return tidy JSON with a simple prompts array. This standardizes the output, making downstream processing reliable and easy to debug. Those prompts are then split so each one is processed on its own. Treating them individually lets you render and retry slides independently rather than failing the entire set, and it keeps processing efficient. For image creation, the Nano banana node sends each prompt to the image API with the format, rendering mode, and prompt text you prefer. Each prompt becomes a slide, giving you a consistent look across the carousel. Because renders take a moment, a short wait, about 60 seconds, gives the images time to finish. After that pause, the workflow fetches each result, including the final URL, render status, and any helpful metadata for auditing and verification. With visuals in place, the caption generator analyzes the prompts and produces an engaging, SEO-aware caption, along with relevant hashtags aimed at boosting saves, shares, and reach. If you want a specific tone or audience angle, you can tailor the prompt here without changing the flow. The images are then uploaded to Blotado, so they're accessible for publishing, and a small code step gathers all image URLs into one ordered list. The workflow also appends these URLs, the caption, and basic post logs to a Google Sheet, so you can track content history and performance later. Finally, the caption and image set are merged into a single payload and posted to Instagram via Blotado as a carousel with the AI caption and hashtags, all automatically. For example, starting with the idea AI automation for Instagram creators, this flow will generate 5 prompts, create each image, write and optimize the caption, upload media, and publish the carousel, start to finish, on autopilot. Everything happens inside n8n, so you can monitor runs, tweak node settings, or swap providers while keeping the overall logic intact.